Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi 12, and I'm gonna show you how to check is your Xiaomi Redmi 12 original device. First you need to open settings, then find about phone and scroll down. Find delete info and specs, and here you will see information about your device, about your processor and other. Then click status, and here you will see the email number 1 and number 2. Click on the email. So unfortunately maybe I can't copy it, but I will make a screenshot. Wait for it, and I will copy it using the Google photo. Wait a while. Copy text, cool. Now open the email.info in the web browser. And enter here your email. Consent. I am a human, I'm not a robot. Okay, I need to find the foxes. 1, 2, go. Verify. Click check. And cool. That's it. As you can see, it's real Redmi 12, and this email is real from the original device. That's it. Thanks for watching, and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.